This is why you need to master these skills to become an AI expert. Listen up. First up, coding. Learn Python or R to write algorithms that can crunch data faster than you can say machine learning. Next, dive into data science. Understand how to collect, clean, and analyze data. Because in AI, data is everything. Don't forget about machine learning. Get familiar with models like neural networks and deep learning. These are the building blocks of AI. Now, let's talk about probability and statistics. You'll need these for making predictions and understanding data patterns. Also, brush up on linear algebra and calculus. Sounds scary? Don't worry, you got this. These math skills help in creating and optimizing AI models. Lastly, stay updated. AI is an ever evolving field. Keep learning and experimenting with new tools and technology.